pa ako nagtitaping na
May
gagawa
fight
ako
scene.
ng fight scene.
Okay.
But I live super close to Kuya Erwin's studio. So from time to time, tinuturuan ako ni Kuya Erwin, nandun ako with
may head start
his
na.
kid. Ang galing
Okay.
ng anak ni Kuya Erwin.
MJ, actually, lahat sila, nag-secret training pa yan lahat. Isa-isa.
Yes.
Bago sila mag-official training ng
What's
show.
secret training? Ako baga parang...
May official
Lahat kami
training ng
nag-text
show.
sa kanya, Erwin, pwede mauna na ako kasi baka magagaling na sila eh.
Competitive?
Ganyan ka yung mga artista
Nagtanong
namin.
pa ako sa
Dedicated. Talagang...
Oh, sige, Bella, go ahead.
Nagtanong pa ako, may tinatrainan ba na iba si Gerald para magta-train din ako doon? Wala naman. So, yun.
Anong klaseng training sa'yo, Bella?
I did Muay Thai with Erwin and then we did yung
It's more of
choreography for
basic
knife.
mixed martial arts para may konting Muay Thai. Lahat
Okay.
ng martial arts.
Kamusta?
And guns and...
Pasa-pasa kami.
Pasa-pasa?
Pero on the
Pasa-pasa
side,
kami ni Bella.
pasain kaming dalawa. Pero on the side, I did my own stuff also. I rented out firing ranges. Nag-aral ako on my own also.
Okay.
Para lang makasabay ako kasi lagi ko ka-eksena si Richard eh. So, si Richard ilang taon na yan nag-aaral, diba? So,
Bata pa lang kami.
at saka bata pa lang ako artista na si Richard.
Bata pa lang tayo, no? Nagka-training na kami. Ha?
Si Baron naman. Baron, ikaw. What training did you have to go through? I know marunong ka na mag-action, but did you have to do some refresher or new stuff?
Yes, a little bit of refresher with Sir Erwin. And since birth din I was already competing back in the day when I was 6 years old eh. So parang konting lang, taekwondo naman yung
Right.
sa akin. So, yeah.
Parang alam mo na yung rhythm, no? Baron, parang
Medyo mabilis ng konti pick up.
Right.
And syempre, because of the past action series na nagawa ko, ang laking tulong po nun.
Okay.